Hi guys, I'm so happy to see you back in this video. And in this video, we're gonna do the rich emoji. But before we get in the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Let's get in the video then. Like every other emoji, start with a circle. Do then the two S's, another one to make the S be not just one line. Do the line to make the doll shape. He's surprised, so I made an open mouth. Do the outline of the doll shape in green and the inside of the S also in line. For the light, do it in darker green. For the mouth, do it in red and do the tongue and outline in black. And do the rest of the emoji in yellow. If you want to know how to do it, look at my first video. It's the end, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.